Most people think honey is just sugar with a better reputation. But what if I told you that the moment you swallow each one, your body reacts in completely different ways? One feeds your brain, the other quietly drains it. And by the end of this video, you'll never look at the sugar jar the same way again. We're going to go through 5 body systems: your blood, your brain, your gut, your energy, and your skin. And for each one, I'll tell you exactly what sugar does, and exactly what honey does instead. Let's get into it. Round 1. Your blood. Let's start with your blood, because this is where everything begins. The moment sugar hits your bloodstream, it causes a glucose spike. Your blood sugar shoots up fast. Your body panics. It floods your system with insulin to bring it back down. And that crash, that's the tired, foggy feeling. Now, honey? Honey contains natural enzymes that slow down how fast your blood sugar rises. So you get a slower, steadier curve. Sugar is a wave that knocks you off your feet. Honey is a gentle tide. Same water, completely different experience. Round 2. Your brain runs on glucose. But when you eat sugar, your brain gets a dopamine hit. It feels great, but it fades fast, and your brain starts craving more. That's not weakness. That's biology. Honey works differently. Raw honey contains B vitamins and antioxidants that actually support brain function. Studies link raw honey to improved memory and reduced stress. Honey gives your brain a calmer, steadier supply. If you're learning something new right now, hit that like button. It really does help more people find this channel. Now, let's keep going. Round 3. Your gut. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and they are incredibly picky about what you feed them. Sugar feeds the bad bacteria, the ones that cause bloating, inflammation, and that sluggish, heavy feeling after meals. Honey is one of the oldest natural antibiotics. Archaeologists found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs, and it was still edible. It contains compounds that fight harmful bacteria while protecting the good ones. Your gut will genuinely thank you for this switch. Round 4. Your energy. Most people reach for something sweet when they need energy, but that energy doesn't last. By mid-morning, you're reaching for another coffee or snack. Honey doesn't do that. It contains both glucose and fructose. You get quick energy from the glucose and sustained energy from the fructose. Athletes have used it for centuries. Round 5. Your skin. You might not connect what you eat to your face, but your skin does. Sugar triggers glycation, where sugar molecules attach to your collagen and break it down, accelerating aging and wrinkles. Honey is loaded with antioxidants that fight that process. Less sugar, more honey. Your skin will show the difference. So let's bring it all together. Your blood, brain, gut, energy, and skin. Honey works for your body. Refined sugar works against it. One small swap. 5 massive benefits. If this helped you, subscribe to Mind is Set for more. I'll see you in the next one.